I've tested the Osmo Action for all my workouts and daily life. I'm giving you my honest opinion if it's still worth buying in 2025. Keep watching. So I've been testing out the Action 4. Actually, I'm filming now with the Action 4 and I want to give a little review on how it went, how I like it, because I've tested out in different conditions, mostly conditions I usually am around, like running, cycling. I've not tested out underwater, to be honest. So that's the next thing I need to test. I've tested out the mic while biking, and yeah, the nice thing about the Action camera is it's so small and I can place it everywhere I want. But I will review it all in detail at home, so let's go. I'm so excited to open the box, so let's get right into it. Okay, first impressions, the box is just a nice little box. By the way, I bought the adventure combo. Let me get everything out of the box. I got a mini tripod with it, very nice. It looks very sturdy already, very strong. So that's a plus. Now getting into the accessories. Because I bought the adventure combo, I got extra batteries, extra little accessories. So I prefer to buy the adventure combo and have 3 batteries plus the charging case, of course. Then I have like an extra magnetic clip on the cable, of course. I've got a extra lens, some papers, and now the most important part of everything, the camera itself. Very excited. Okay, so camera, okay, a lot of little accessories. Looks very strong, so that's good. You see? All right, and now to the most important. To be honest, the packaging is just really simple. A lot of plastic, which is not very ecologic, green, but you know, and or I mean, if the complete box would fall, it's not really the camera or the stuff inside, the batteries, which can be probably very fragile. If that falls, it's not protected. It looks already so amazing. I will test it out later a bit more and see how it works. All right, so the reason why I bought or I chose the Action 4 instead of the GoPro is because the variety and the focus on what I wanted to use it for. So there is a lot of wind. I hope you can hear me. But so for the GoPro has an overall better camera for action, let me say it like that. But I think for my level of usage, the Action 4 is good, more than good enough. But the Action 4 has a better low light camera, which is really good for me because I'm not only using it for action things, sport related, but I also want to vlog with it. I'm going to Colombia. It's nice to film. It's nice just to film ourselves while swimming and not carrying if our phone will have any damage and stuff. Alright, so I'm at home. As you see, I'm using natural light and it works really good. I think that the Action 4 does a great job in low light situations. I'm going to put some dark situations where you can clearly see some details. Let me be a little more structured and first talk about the design. I'm going to switch over to my main camera. If we talk about the design, the durability, I do think it looks sturdy, but if we take it off the case, it does look less sturdy. I'm just a little afraid to drop it, and to be honest, even on the case I'm a little afraid to drop it. So my girlfriend, my Ellen, gave me the idea to buy like a cover, but I don't know how it's called, how she named it, like something more bubbly, and if you drop it, you won't be scared that it's broken down or something. So for example, sometimes I'm biking and I'm holding it like this, so yeah, if then I drop it, it can be a catastrophe. Overall size and weight, really small. Weight is not really heavy. You feel like there is something, okay? It's not plasticky, so that's good, but it's not heavy. It's not like it's really heavy. And you can easily put it in your pocket. I'm always have it by me now because I think I do prefer to film with this outside than using my phone because it's so small that people just don't see it as easy, and I really just like it. The buttons are really easy to use. To be honest, I do feel like when I'm using the case, I need to press a little little harder, but it just maybe my impression, I don't know. But the buttons do work really good. And one of the better things, and one of the reason I chose the Action 4 instead of the GoPro Hero 11, for example, it has a magnetic thing here, and you can easily mount it on the mount, and then just with these two fingers you can take it away. When I'm on the bike, for example, really easy, click it away and just take it back. So that's so easy, so good. So that's really good. And the size of the screen is good enough. The front screen is smaller and less user-friendly to use, but I think it's just only to see yourself. And I do like to turn it off because I do just always look at myself instead of the camera, which looks a little strange. You see what I mean? I'm looking at myself and not at you. Okay, as I was saying, the color, the quality of the video looks really good on daylight, in the dark, and just the adaptation of the sharpness, the automatic adaptation of the white balance and everything is really good, because now I'm just using it on automatic. Everything, the ISO, the white balance, the shutter speed, everything is just on automatic, and I do like it. To be honest, I can't really work with that yet. I'm just learning about cameras overall, but it looks really good. Look, and if I take you over here and just take you with more light, it does work perfectly. So quality overall is really great, and I'm going to put some photos, pictures, videos that I've tested out, because I went to a concert and the video was really nice. The photos I was taking with the camera were working also very good. So overall this camera is really good, and I've used it while running, while going on my bike, and you can see that it doesn't move at all. I mean, I saw my camera shaking so much on the bike, and I thought it's not possible that it will be steady on the video itself, and it was just on Rocksteady, because you have multiple levels of Rocksteady Plus and something else, but I forgot about it, and it was just on the Rocksteady, and it is Rocksteady. By the way, I'm placing in the description all the gears I used during this video to test the Action 4, the Action 4 itself, and all the accessories around it. So just check it out, because it can be useful for you. So I took some distance from the camera just to talk with you, and so yeah, you can hear how good the mic is. It's not bad to be a mic on the Action camera. To be honest, I thought that the mic would be a lot worse than this, but it works fine. There is a lot of wind, and even though you can hear me clearly, probably if I'm going to take more distance, further away, you're not gonna hear me correctly. But closely, it works really good. The only downside maybe about the mic is that I've tried to connect a third-party mic with USB-C, because it has a USB-C port on the side. I've tried to connect it and it does not work. I don't know why.
You can't see me, or maybe you can only see my feet. So if you're hearing me clearly, it's working perfectly, and I'm so happy that I did find out how to connect it together.
Okay, I don't know about you, but every time I buy something new, I don't have the time to wait, and I just turn it on and try it out. I just look for myself. It's funny because some people do like to just see the instruction. I'm looking, searching the instructions. I think it's this one, and yeah, a quick start guide. This was what I was looking for, but I don't like that. I don't use that. I just start a camera, I try it out, I try all the settings, different things, and then maybe I'm looking some videos online to see how it works. And to be honest, the camera is really user-friendly. It's easy. Maybe because I do know how it works a little bit, but it's just easy to use, all right? So maybe there are some settings, and it's not about the camera itself, but there are some settings, like I've said, the ISO, the white colors, white balancing, the color grading and everything. I don't know a lot about that, so yeah, I don't mess with that yet, and I cannot say how it really works. I do know just a little, so I cannot judge the camera on that, but just overall it's easy to use, because you can use just the normal screen and you can use the front screen. So at any moment you can change some things, you can set some different users on the camera itself for probably different color gradings and everything, and that's useful. You have like a quick turn on and off button, is also like a quick button to switch between modes, and you can watch your videos, you can watch your photos really easily. And one thing I really like, because you need to use like an SD card for bought a camera, you can connect it really easily on your phone, on your computer with an USB-C cable, and then you can see everything on your computer and on your phone. And with the app, you can also see all the pictures and everything when it's connected. So again, it's really user-friendly, it's really easy to use, and I'm happy with it. You can even see from my phone, let me see if I can show you. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. You can even see, like on the phone, you can see what's filming at the moment, just live. Sometimes it has a little bit of latency, but it depends on the Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but I'm so excited about this camera. It's not sponsored by DJI, but DJI, if you want to work together, you know, I'm into action, I'm into sport, we can work together and it will be a great fit. And last thing I wanted to talk to you about is the battery. I bought like the adventure pack, as I said, but this is the battery charger I got, and then inside I get like 2 more batteries, and you can use this like a power bank for your phone as well, but no need. The battery, I've used it a lot, and to be honest, I've not had any problems with any battery. I do charge them time to time, so yeah, that's great too. Oh, and maybe one downside I didn't mention is that it does get hot a little, not too much, but just a little, and yeah, I don't know, nothing wrong with it, but it feels hot, that's it. And you see, it's waterproof as well, so it's just amazing. All right, it works fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm definitely still going to use the camera in mix-up with my iPhone because I really like this camera. I'm really happy about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to move, grow, and evolve. See you next time. Bye-bye.